Why does my phone keep typing by itself? And how can I fix it in an efficient manner? Let's check the answers to these questions now. Fix 1. Reset all settings on the iPhone. Go to your device's settings, General, proceed to Reset, reset all settings. Enter your screen password when required to confirm the action. Fix 2. Update your iPhone. Install the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Plug your iPhone into the computer via USB and run iTunes. When your device is recognized, choose the device icon, summary, check for updates. Hit Download and Update to update the iOS to its latest firmware. Fix 3. Hard reset your iPhone. Press and quickly release the Volume Up button. Repeat the action. On the Volume Down button, press the Power button until you reach the Apple logo. Fix 4. Factory reset iPhone. Navigate to your device's settings, General, Reset, Transfer or Reset. Hit Erase all content and settings, erase iPhone. Enter your password to confirm, and the factory reset will occur immediately.